Whether you are a first-time student, a transfer or returning student, or an LPN, your first step to applying is to attend an NCC nursing information session. NCC offers 2 nursing information sessions per month. You can sign up by visiting this site. During the information session, learn about nursing specialties, career and transfer pathways, and how NCC can prepare you to succeed. But first, I'll go over steps to apply to the NCC nursing program. Step 1. Please fill out a free online application on our website. Our website is listed here. Next, we'll talk about how to confirm your high school graduation so you're ready to enroll at NCC. You may self-certify on your application that you have graduated or will graduate from high school in the near future, or that you have received the equivalent of a high school diploma, such as a HiSET or GED, before your first day of classes. Submitting your high school transcripts is optional, but will give you an advantage in choosing your schedule. Transcripts may be used for course placements, and your academic program may require it. Prior to entering the nursing program, you are required to complete Anatomy and Physiology 1 and Intro to Psychology with a C+ or higher. Then, sign up to take the Test of Essential Academic Skills assessment, also known as the TEAS. The TEAS must be taken within 2 years of the first nursing course and can be taken up to 3 times per year with a 6-week waiting period between each retake. Please meet the individualized benchmark scores as well. Be sure to include 2 professional confidential references, work or education related. These references should come in a sealed envelope mailed directly to the admissions office or emailed to this address. Also, if you have attended another nursing program, please submit transcripts to transfer your credits in addition to a letter of recommendation. Lastly, all nursing students need to meet the health character and technical standards for the associate in nursing program as stated in the Nashua Community College catalog. If you have taken any of these classes, they must be no more than 5 years old from the start of the first nursing course with a minimum grade of C+. Licensed practical nurses, known as LPNs, may have the opportunity to transfer into the associate in nursing program with advanced standing in the spring semester of the first year on a space available basis. Please sign up for the information session in order to learn more. All general admissions requirements of the college admissions requirements to the nursing program must be met with the exclusion of the TEAS exam. You must also take the National League for Nursing Acceleration Challenge exam. Applicants who successfully complete the NLN NACE exam and are accepted into the program will be awarded 8 credits in place of the class, the Fundamental Concepts and Skills for Nursing Practice. As an LPN, Human Growth and Development and Anatomy and Physiology 2 are required to be completed with a C+ or higher prior to entering the program in the spring semester. Transfer students who have been enrolled in a nursing program within the past 5 years may have the opportunity to transfer into the ASN program at NCC on a space available basis. As long as nursing courses were taken, all general admission requirements must be met, excluding the TEAS exam. You must also take the NACE Challenge exam. Please submit a letter of reference on a school letterhead from the director of the nursing program at your previous school of attendance. As a transfer student, if you have completed these science courses, they must be no more than 5 years old from the start of the first nursing course, with a minimum grade of a C+. Congratulations, you have now officially applied to the NCC nursing program. We will review your application and make an admission decision. As always, please reach out if you have any questions, and we can't wait to see you so soon. Thank you for watching.